I appreciate my mum because she stays up really late and helps me with all my assignments. I really love her because she loves me and she looks after me all the time, even when I'm being a little rat bag. I really appreciate that about her.
Thank you, Mum, for all of the stuff that you've cared for us, feeding us and helping us have a healthier life.
Thanks, Mum, for all the hard work you've done for me and my brother. Thank you.
Thanks, Mum, for cooking and cleaning and looking after my brother and I every day.
Thank you, Mum, for all the things you've always done for me and letting me do all the experience I've had.
Thanks, Mum, for always being there to support me through what I'm going through and for always having my back and taking me where I need to be, even if I notify you at the last minute.
Thanks, Mum, for taking me to footy every Thursday and Saturday.
Thanks, Mum, for all you've done for me, looking out for me when I need it and helping me with everything.
Thank you, Mum, for always going out of your way so you can make stuff possible for me and my sisters.
Thank you, Mum, for cooking me good meals every night and making sure they're nice and yum.
I'm just thankful for my mum for when she does everything for me. She's always there for me.
Thanks, Mum, for looking after me and doing everything you do.
Thanks, Mum, for driving me to swimming every day of the week, even if it's a Sunday and you want to sleep in. Thanks, Mum, for always feeding us and making sure we're all ready to go.
Thanks, Mum, for everything that you've done for me throughout my years and just looking out for me whenever I needed you there, for everything, basically, when I'm nervous, when I'm upset, when there's problems going on. You've always just been there, so I just want to say thanks for that.